Beautiful, beautiful. You're at work, Scralfy. What's your work? What do you do? Sorry, I'm just starting up the TikTok stream. What? Other games. Cool. Okay. Live on Twitch, on YouTube, and on TikTok. Can you guys hear music? Jojo, what's up? Awesome, cool. We're at a comic book shop. Dude, that's cool. It's pretty chill. I get to read comics and call it product research. That's awesome. Okay, we are working on the brick building PvP game today. I really want to figure out why we're getting this weird highlight thing going on. Because my guess, I'm pretty sure last I was working on this, I was working on the brick shader. And I think that might be the issue. I was working on a custom brick shader to get transparency and translucency in some of the bricks. So that, like, if you, whoops, back to scene. If you look at, so like this, I was working on a brick shader that let me have transparent and translucent pieces like this, but I think that messed up the outline shader that I was using before. So I wonder if I backtrack on that. See, like, let's see. Brown. Yeah, I'm using Lego custom shader. I need to not use the word Lego. Let me duplicate this guy. Dupe. And then change his material. Let's duplicate this. Brown. Old. And change it to, we're in URP, I'm pretty sure, right? We have to be. Nope, not standard, whoopsie. There we go, universal inner pipeline, lit. Okay, and then just change this to brown, old. There we go. Okay, now let's see if that fixes the outline problem on the top piece. Nope, can't see it. Nope, it didn't fix it. Dang. It's supposed to be just an outline. It's supposed to be a yellow outline, not a yellow fill. And I don't know what's happening. Anyone got any ideas? Why is it outlined at the bottom? There's not a gap, is there? It's not depth of field, it's not vignette. Is there an actual gap there? That... Is that part of the shader that I was building? Yellow and green. Are they using... No. Oh, it's the normal map. Okay. It's the normal map I created. Okay, good. Okay, I need to figure out why. These are highlighting still. It's so weird. And some of them are even using... Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Okay, so this... Let me pause the game. So this has red URP on it, which is the material, and then outline mask instance, and also the outline fill instance. Why is it putting a fill on there as well? Outline fill instance. If I remove that... Why is it adding on an outline fill instance? I don't understand. Whoa, we've got a lot of viewers over on TikTok. Where's the Lego guy? He's sleeping somewhere in my PC. Yeah, we're just doing a live game dev stream right now. Working on this PvP brick battle game. Do we have any YouTube chat? I'm not seeing any. One viewer on chat. Okay, if you're on YouTube, can you please chat so I can make sure it's working on OBS? Thanks everyone for being here. Thanks for the... Wait, I gifted Kayla. You gifted what? I missed Lego guy. You should have been here yesterday. I was all dressed up yesterday. We were running the Lego dude yesterday. Yeah, no one gifted. I don't see any gifts in the window. Okay, let's figure this out. Okay, so it's making an outline fill instance and an outline mask instance, but why is it doing that? Outline. Outline all. I don't. Outline fill, custom outline fill, custom outline mask. No. Outline fill. Let's look at the outline plugin I'm using. I'm using a plugin from the asset store. I think that's what I was running. It might have been that I was running into issues. It's been months since I worked on this game, guys, but I think it might be because maybe the outline plugin stopped working for whatever reason. So I started developing my own brick shader and it wasn't compatible with the outline plugin. So maybe that's the issue. Outline fill, outline mask, custom outline fill, Z test. Hold up. I think that's it. Okay. Select. Now let's change this to less equal. Nope. 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 It's because you're commenting and or liking the stream. What? How do you make the Lego Man camera webcam for your videos? So I use this game engine that I'm using right here for this game. It's called Unity. All bricked up, I see. So yeah, you got to use a game engine to do VTuber stuff. Or find some VTuber software written from scratch somewhere. VC Face is one of them, but I use Unity. Cyanide, what's up? Are you not at school or not at work right now? It's because it's his first live stream, so whoever talks most first gets the badge. Oh, okay. The fans are really nice. I know they are spinning fast, but they look amazing. Oh, yeah. They actually look like they're moving slower on stream than they are in real life. I think it's just because of the frame rate. Appreciate it. I built this PC myself, actually. Could this be the ban happening? What do you mean? I hope the ban is not happening. So what is the plot of this game? So this is actually something that me, my wife, and my firstborn son came up with. not virtually, but with real life Legos. So I don't know. We just developed this game over time where my son loves playing with Legos, as I do, and I grew up with Legos too. So we came up with this game where we were playing with Legos in this big Lego box, tons of different Legos in it, and we'd play this game where my son would give me a number, so say 12, and then I would pick out 12 Legos from the box, 12 random Legos, give them to him, and then he would have to create a creation with those 12 Lego blocks that I picked out. And then so we loved doing that with each other, and then after a while we started adding themes. So like I would say I want 20, so then he would pick out 20 Lego blocks for me from the box, and then he would give me a theme, so like robot or monster. So let's say robot, and then I would have to build a robot out of those 20 Lego pieces that he picked out. And so we were doing this, and it was a lot of fun, and we loved playing that game. And I was thinking, I could create the exact same game, but as a mobile game, and make it multiplayer PvP. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm super, super excited about it. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. So imagine this game on your mobile device, and you enter a round with everyone else around the world at the same time. Everyone's in the same round. It lasts like a minute or 2 minutes long. Everyone receives the same number of random Lego bricks, and then you're given a theme, and you have to build a creation with those Lego bricks, and then you submit it. You're timed on it too, so maybe a minute or 2 minutes, whatever. You click submit, and then after you've submitted your creation, you receive 2 more creations from other players around the world, and you have to vote on which one you like better. So then the game will tally up the votes for all the creations around the world that entered in that particular round. And then whoever wins, the winning creation will get displayed on everyone's mobile device at the same time. And we have a Discord, so maybe we'll display winning creations on the Discord too. Just a lot of fun stuff we could do, so I'm super, super excited about it. This is a recreation of Lego Studio. Kind of, I guess, but it has a game element to it, and it won't be as complex. So it'll be a small build area, so like this. What is this, like 16 by 16, I think? Let me see. Whoa, all these snap points. Yeah, 16 by 16. So it'll be a small build area like this. At most in a round, you might receive like 30, 40 bricks tops. There will be a sandbox mode I'd like to put in the game too, to where you can just build in your own time and practice and stuff. You build whatever you want. So yeah, it'll be like a small, lightweight brick building PvP game on mobile, and I'm super excited about it. And I'm even excited about it because I'll talk with my son about it too. I'll be like, man, I can't wait until the Lego game is done, because then we can just play it when we're on the go. So like if we're on a trip and we don't have our box of Legos with us, we can just open up my phone and then just start building stuff with Legos on my phone. So I'm super excited about it. The mock battle 8-year-olds have between 2 factions have more depth than Morbius. I have no idea what you're talking about. That's fun Lego Day. Thanks. I'm really excited about it. You ever heard of Alan Becker? I've not, no. Can't say L word otherwise, the brick company. Yes, I don't know that they would sue me, but yeah. We're not going to use the word Lego in the name of the game or inside the game or anywhere. I've really got to figure this out. Why is it doing this? Let's see. Quick outline. Read me. Let me try doing a new object from scratch, cube, and then adding outline. And then boop. Wait, was it outline or outline UI? Outline, okay. Well, that's not even working. drag and drop the outline CS script. This one? Maybe that's it. Outline all. We'll be able to change brick colors in the game. I haven't decided yet. Let's see if this is working. Yeah, it's still not working. Why is it doing that? Let me check this. Let me check the code. Yeah, I'm not sure because I want everyone who's playing the round at the same time. In sandbox mode, yeah, you can change the brick colors for sure to whatever you want. But I'm not sure. I don't think we're going to do that for the PvP aspect because everyone needs to have the same bricks, playing with the same bricks. Okay, let me pull this over here. Okay, outline. I might have edited this and might have messed it up. Outline mask, outline fill. Oh, we also should be hearing about the TikTok ban at some point. So, is anyone on top of that? Yeah, maybe we'll have 2 different modes because I like that idea for sure. About the custom colors, but yeah, I don't know. Let's see. I think at 10 a.m., so that was like an hour ago. The Supreme Court was supposed to give us an answer. Supreme Court. I grew up with a tub of Legos, low-key miss it. I know, right? We're slowly building our son's tub of Legos. I don't see anything. Report didn't even mention it. Wait, what? Didn't mention TikTok today? What in the world? ISO Pigeon, what is up, dude? Hey, buddy, just dropping to say I miss you and hope you're doing well. Thanks, man. I'll send you a DM today. It's good to see you, man. Hey, that app we were talking about that I told you about in DMs, it's almost done. I'm gonna send it to you soon, for testing. I was actually gonna run it right now and see if it's working. I'm gonna run it. Hopefully, it's working. Wait, I'm missing something. Did I build the wrong version of this app this morning? Maybe I did. Well, it's sort of working. Part of it is working. Okay. Yeah, Twitch and TikTok are working on this app, but YouTube is not. +100 million people moved to Red Note are starting to also rumor. Yeah, I saw that, guys. I'm not moving to Red Note. That's way too sketch for me. I'm all about supporting TikTok. I'm all for TikTok. I want it to stick around. I do not want TikTok to get banned, but moving to Red Note is not the right answer. It's just not. It is not the right answer. That is a step too far. I love how everyone is doing it out of spite for the potential TikTok ban that the US government is putting forward. I love the spite. I love that so much, but I will not be moving to Red Note. like the form of protest, but actually using it in another thing. Yeah, I agree. This is so exciting seeing the app is working, but I don't know why. I also really hope that TikTok does not get banned because of this secret app that I've been working on, because it will make the app so much better if TikTok stays around. If that makes sense. Wink, wink. Yeah, I don't know why it's not. That is frustrating. It's not showing all the UI of my app. Oh well. I'm from the UK, so I'm not going to be affected. You're going to be affected. From what I understand, the majority of TikTok content is from the US. So if US content on TikTok goes dark, it's going to be like a wasteland. I don't think it will get banned. I think they'll extend it. I'm leaning towards that too. I think there'll just be a continuous delay in the ban. They'll be like, okay, we decided we need more time to think this through. We're gonna give TikTok another 270, or we need another 270 days. We'll just put this on hold for another 270 days, and then once that time comes up, then it'll be, hey, we need more time. We'll do another 270 days. It'll probably just keep going like that. Well, I hope so. A lot of favorite creators are from the US. There's that, yeah, for sure. Me included. I'm from the US, so you will not, if TikTok gets banned, you will not find me on TikTok. You will not, but I am on YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, and X. So you can find me those places for sure. Okay. Oh, let's figure this out. Why is this not working? Let me see what I'm doing in my code. Block script, boop. Okay. Outline. Yeah, I don't understand still why it's filling the whole thing. Does the latch hinge work? Yes, it does. Check this out. Boop. Well, it sort of works. It connects where it shouldn't. So like that, it shouldn't connect there. I really need to add zoom in and zoom out. It's driving me insane. There we go, that's better. It will work if I just add more snap points. We did that on a previous stream. Like, let me show you this. Oh, scene. Okay. Where's all my stuff? There we go. So if I take this dude and I duplicate it multiple times, so there's more snap points, and then go, then you'll see it work as intended. Boop. It's so satisfying. I cannot wait to add sound effects to this game. It's gonna be so fun. Well, no, it'll be more like, let's see. There we go. You guys hear that? Lego ASMR. Will the game be called? Not sure. Haven't decided yet. Google will give you the answer. The answer to what? I actually have a short on both TikTok and YouTube. Not both. I have a short on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Talking about the name for this game and how I haven't decided on a name yet. And that if you guys have a name, please leave your suggestions in the comments. So go find that short. And Brick by Brick. I do like that name. Someone suggested Brick by Brick, and I do like that. It's definitely a contender. I have one that I'm leaning towards the most, but I want to keep it to myself because I don't want someone to take it. Because, I mean, people couldn't really take the name, but I'm pretty sure at least how the App Store works for Apple is there can only be one name for a game, and if it's taken, then you can't use it. So I want to hold off. Watching in anticipation. Get sued speedrun 2025. Idea of like, I mean, Brick Company bricks is hilarious. You try turning off and on again. Put a lot of them here. Yeah. I'd really like to know why this outline isn't working. I know what we can do. I'm going to the Uni Asset Store. Quick outline. See if maybe there's an update or if anyone else is saying the same things. Latest release date? Nope, so there's no new release. It's working for other people days ago. It means there's something wrong on my end. And it works for URP. Let's see. Go to the sample scene and see if that's working. Whoa. That's not working either. Which means it must be a shader thing. You guys can't see this. Let me re-import it. Windows Package Manager. Or test an empty project. Yeah, that's what I'll do next if this doesn't work. I'll test an empty project. Quick outline. Re-download. And then import. Okay, so this is showing me, can you guys see this? This is showing me if I re-download it, what it's going to change. So that right there, outline fill. I might have edited that, or the outline CS new. File exists in the project with the same GUID. This asset being imported will be assigned to GeoTag references. The asset being imported, another reference will be placed with the reference to that. Okay. Outline fill. Did I edit that material? Go to outline fill. I'm gonna edit this, pretty sure. Yeah, let's just re-import it and see what happens. Import. Make sure it didn't duplicate that import. It doesn't look like it. Okay, cool. And now DoTweens has an issue. Contain a definition conflicting with alias outline. Using outline equals. I don't understand. I'm taking a model Lego character. I'm a game 3D artist, so I was curious. I don't remember how long it took me to model the Lego minifig. It was a week, maybe, of full time. I mean, it was spread out over a longer time than that, but probably a week of full time. Or just the modeling. No, the modeling was modeling was probably a few days. What took so long on the Lego minifig was all the blend shapes for the face mocap. That took forever. It took a lot of tweaking and iterations. Random question, DC or Marvel? Marvel for sure. But honestly, these days, neither. After Avengers finished up, ever since Avengers have been done, I've just been kind of over the whole superhero thing. Yeah, I think the issue is that, well, I mean, right now, DoTween is having an issue. So I think probably what happened was I edited something to make another plugin work, probably DoTween, and now that made the outline stop working. And I forget what my fix was for DoTween. Namespace, global namespace contains a definition conflicting with alias outline. And I do not remember what I did before. I use Blender. I use Blender for everything 3D, Unity for my game engine, Substance Painter for textures. Yeah, pretty much it. That's in game world, but then for visual effects, I use After Effects for compositing and VFX. Occasionally we'll use Houdini, but rarely. Okay. So let me go change outline. There's gotta be a better way. There's gotta be a better way. Let's ask Chat GPT. Whoa. Blender's hard for you. Blender's always been easy for me because I started on that when I was like 13, 14 years old, and I've just been using it ever since. Ba-da-bum, bum, 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 bum. Using another plugin called Quick Outline, and it uses a script called Outline CS. Okay, you can stop. Now send. Here. Okay. See if that fixes the issue. Yep, looks like it does. Okay, let's see if it works now. It is still filling it. In the world. Let's. That is so weird. Do you got any sort of schooling to learn some of this stuff, or are you? It's completely self-taught. 4 years of schooling, but ultimately you got 5 more years in your own time. Yeah, it's all self-taught. I've been self-teaching visual effects, game design, everything since I was like 14 years old. A few weeks ago, somebody stole the cash box from the store, not knowing there was a key that they needed, and also there was only like 10 pounds in there. From the comic book store that you work at. 10 for your thanks, appreciate it. It means a lot. Okay. I'm gonna figure this out later because this is honestly boring work. I'm just gonna work on. Let's add some zooming. I want to add some zooming. I'll eventually need pinch zoom because it's gonna be for a mobile device, but I'll start off just doing like a mouse zoom like that. Let's do that. So it's gonna be on the main camera. Let's see. Could I actually do this on with a Cinemachine camera? I think I might could. Do I have Cinemachine in here? I also want to upgrade this project to Unity 6, which is the newest. It's currently on Unity 2022, which is like 2 years old. Oh, you can teach yourself. You can totally do it. 100%. There is a plethora of free tutorials out there online. I learned from YouTube, essentially. YouTube, Google searches, forums, Reddit, blenderartist.com, or no, blenderartist.org. Yeah, what Alex says. YouTube is your best friend. 100%. Does anyone know if there's anything on TikTok yet? Let me see what's going on with this shader that I was creating. First, let's see. Lego shader. Oh, I started using Amplify shader. Maybe that's what messed it up. Let's make a new scene. Scene. Test. Add a plane and then a cube. Oop. And then add outline. What is that? That's part of the new UI stuff. Part of Unity UI. It's still filling the whole thing. Why is it doing that? Whoa. Why did you decide to use Unity 7 Unreal? It's just because it was free back when I started with game engines. Unreal used to not be free. I don't know when this was, but when I started playing around with game engine stuff, which was back in like, I want to say like 2015, 2016, I wanted to find a free game engine, just like I found free 3D software, which was Blender. And so I found Unity, and Unreal cost money at the time, so I just started learning Unity. I didn't have money to purchase Unreal, so I got Unity, started learning it, and I've been using it ever since, and I've had no reason to leave. I would love to learn Unreal. I just haven't had the time to do it. I need more water. Okay, pre-compute outline. Let's try that. Yeah, I'm gonna figure all this out later. This is boring work. I don't know. This is not for stream. So let's go. Yeah, I have some friends that use Unreal, and they tell me that Unreal crashes all the time. I rarely have Unity crash. I have heard of people have Unity crashing for people too, but I've never had crash. I mean, I've had some crashes, but it's been very rare. I've been using Unity for years now, and I've had maybe 3, 4, 5 crashes total. Okay, let's do a zoom. Main camera, camera movement. Down. Okay. If input get mouse button. No. Get mouse. Let's get no. Get mouse button. 2. I want to say it's 2. I need to check ChatGPT for this. Let's see. Unity C#, mouse wheel to zoom, camera. This is so much unnecessary code. Scroll input, get access. Now scroll wheel. Changing field of view. Let's try that. As someone who hates coding, this is the best solution. I love coding, but I use ChatGPT all the time. I have to babysit it a lot, but it is very, very helpful. Because we're gonna update, if not dragging, yep, camera controls, and then in camera controls. What I do is camera, field of view, no. Are we orthographic or not? I don't think, we're not orthographic. Or perspective, yeah. Back to game. So this is what the zoom is going to do essentially. I don't want the zoom to change the field of view. Why would it only change the field of view? I don't want zoom to change field of view. That's what I want to do. I want to move the camera along its, yeah, forward axis. So we want to do camera transform. Why? Camera main. That's why. Camera main transform. Position equal. No. Oh gosh. Okay, I want to go along. Okay, this is a little off. I do camera, transform, translate, vector 3 forward, times scroll input. That's a float. Yes, it is. Times zoom speed space self. I don't think we need that, but I'll put it in there just in case. Zoom speed, and then zoom speed, we have a float. We can do whatever we want, but I'm just gonna do that for now. Okay, let's see what that does. Bum, 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 ba-dum. There we go, we got a zoom. It throws the depth of field off, but it does what we want. Why is clicking bringing it back to that position? That's odd. Get mouse button down, previous position equal mouse instrument moving camera equals true camera. Is it when I click down or when I click up? Let's see. It's when I click down. Okay, so this button's down, or maybe it's this. I think it's this code right here that's doing that. Turn that off. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh. Yep, definitely need that. Huh. And then our depth of field is also a problem too, so volume, depth of field is using focus distance here. Oh yeah, cause so I'm used to Unity HDRP rendering mode, and in that you can have the depth of field copy whatever the settings are for the camera, and then in the camera you can check the depth of field distance by a target object, but we don't have that in URP. Dang. So I've got to constantly be updating this value based on depth of field, or I could just turn depth of field off temporarily for now. That's what we'll do. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, now there's no depth of field issue. Oh, I like that fog. Whenever it turned to blue for a second, that was weird. Oh, I can also get rid of that cube. Cube. It's so weird that it keeps returning. It's somewhere in here. Position, rotate, translate. It's got to be this code that is. Let me just double check. Turn it off and see if it works. Yep, it's definitely that code. So we got the zoom in, zoom out. Great. Okay. So direction equals previous position minus camera main screen point. Transform position equals new vector 3. Rotate. saying -10 somewhere else? Am I setting that? Nope. Yeah, that's tough. I don't know why. Wait, I didn't save it. That's so annoying. Every time I click, it zooms back in. It's okay, we'll get it fixed eventually. Turn depth of field back on. The movement is the thing I love most about this game so far. It's just so fluid. You can't see it as well because of the dumb outline thing, which I apologize for. Outline is supposed to be outlining the block and not filling it in. Let's actually just take it off. Actually, that might make a problem. Yeah. It's interesting. Okay, there we go. I also need to fix the intersection mechanics because that should not be allowed to happen right there. Yeah, guys, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to update this game to use the latest Unity 6. And I'm going to update URP at the same time. And maybe that will fix the outline issues. And if it doesn't, I might just need to forget about the outline plugin I'm using and then just write that in as part of my own shader. But yeah, and that's boring work too. I'm not going to do that on stream, so. Hey, thanks for sharing the live, Chad. Appreciate it. Should have learned coding in high school. I was in coding. Oh, cool. I mean, you can learn now. Why not now? Yeah, guys, I'm gonna end stream for now. It's almost lunchtime, so I'm gonna go eat lunch, and yeah, we'll do, what's today? Wednesday? Today's Wednesday. Yeah, today's Wednesday. I'll definitely post something soon or do another live stream soon this week at least, because as I'm following the whole TikTok ban update stuff. But again, if you guys are interested in following my other socials, I have an Instagram, a Twitch, a YouTube, a Discord. Discord is the best place. It's like the central hub of our community. And yeah, I'll see you guys over there. And I'll do another stream soon too, sometime in the next few days. And we'll keep going on this. And yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you soon. And yeah, I'm really sorry that we weren't able to get really anywhere with this game today. It's kind of disappointing, but that's how it is sometimes. Sometimes things like this take a while to troubleshoot, and it could take days, and then you get it, and it's just the dumbest answer ever, but you just move on and keep going. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye, guys.